Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a very special topic to discuss: diabetic smoothie recipes. Living with diabetes can be challenging, but with the right diet and lifestyle choices, it is possible to manage your condition effectively. Incorporating nutritious and delicious smoothies into your diet is a great way to keep your blood sugar levels stable and your body healthy. So let's dive into some amazing diabetic-friendly smoothie recipes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds and keep you feeling great. Before we get into the recipes, let's talk about why smoothies are a fantastic option for individuals with diabetes. Smoothies are an excellent way to pack in a variety of nutrients from fruits, vegetables, and other wholesome ingredients. They are also easy to digest, which can help prevent blood sugar spikes. Additionally, smoothies can be a convenient and on-the-go option for busy days when you need a quick and nourishing meal or snack. By carefully selecting the ingredients and keeping an eye on portion sizes, you can create delicious smoothies that support your overall health and well-being. Recipe 1. Berry Blast. Our first diabetic-friendly smoothie recipe is the Berry Blast. This vibrant and refreshing smoothie is packed with antioxidants and fiber, making it an excellent choice for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. To make this delicious smoothie, you will need 1/2 cup of mixed berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. 1/2 a banana, 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Simply blend all the ingredients together until smooth and pour into a glass. This smoothie is not only tasty, but also incredibly nutritious, providing a healthy dose of vitamins, minerals, and fiber to support your overall health. Recipe 2. Green Goddess. Our next diabetic-friendly smoothie recipe is the Green Goddess. This vibrant green smoothie is packed with leafy greens and other nutrient-dense ingredients to help boost your energy levels and support your immune system. To make this tasty smoothie, you will need 1 cup of spinach, 1/2 a cucumber, 1/2 an avocado, 1 tablespoon of fresh mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 cup of coconut water. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth and enjoy the refreshing and revitalizing taste of the Green Goddess smoothie. This smoothie is a great way to get your daily dose of greens in a delicious and convenient form. Recipe 3. Tropical Paradise. Our final diabetic-friendly smoothie recipe is the Tropical Paradise. This tropical-inspired smoothie is bursting with flavor and nutrients, making it the perfect treat for a sunny day. To make this delightful smoothie, you will need 1/2 a cup of pineapple, 1/2 a banana, 1/2 a mango, 1/4 cup of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of shredded coconut. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth and transport yourself to a tropical paradise with every sip of this delicious smoothie. The combination of sweet fruits and creamy coconut milk creates a luscious and satisfying drink that is sure to brighten your day. Tips for creating diabetic-friendly smoothies. When making smoothies for diabetes, there are a few important tips to keep in mind to ensure that your creations are both delicious and beneficial for your health. First, be mindful of portion sizes and avoid adding too much fruit or sweeteners that can cause blood sugar spikes. Instead, focus on incorporating a balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats to help slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. Experiment with a variety of ingredients such as leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and low-glycemic fruits to create nutritious and satisfying smoothies that support your diabetes management goals. Lastly, listen to your body and monitor your blood sugar levels after consuming a smoothie to understand how different ingredients affect your individual health needs. In conclusion, diabetic smoothie recipes can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. By choosing the right ingredients and following these tips, you can create flavorful and satisfying smoothies that support your diabetes management goals. Whether you prefer fruity, green, or tropical flavors, there are endless options to explore and enjoy. So why not give these recipes a try and treat yourself to a refreshing and healthful smoothie today? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.